So here is the part of web portal that we have. Here is the onboarding process. We can log in and access our dashboard. So in the dashboard you can see we have smart search functionality. You can add products or cart and notification messaging and everything. So this is the flow is about seller flow. So here is the dashboard that the inventory overview, the brands, the recent listings, the recent orders they get, and so on. So here's about the dashboard. Let's go to the marketplace. So this is the similar functionality that buyer and seller both have. So here's the list of products that they can select to purchase any product. You can click, and here's cart detail and checkout, and you can use two payment methods right here, the Stripe and Flutterwave. After that, let's go back to the request exchange. So here we have all of the products. You can propose any trade. So we have to submit all of these data about the product, and you can click on the submit button, and then here is possible matches that we have got. And then let's suppose we have ready for to exchange this one, and we can accept the trade and made a final trade. And if we have got the delivery, and then we can click on the mark as a delivery right here. Here is the history if we have, and if we don't, then it will show like that. So after that, let's go to the list of orders that we have. Can easily delete or view our previous orders from right here with all of these details. After that, we have the inventory system. So we can check out all of our product that we have currently in stock into the any warehouses. So yeah, here is we can add our products details. We can add or edit anything like that. We can access the warehouses from right here. Can click on any warehouse to check out all of the details about the warehouse. You can save that one, and or we can edit any one of the warehouses. So after that, we can click on the save button, and to add the warehouses we have to purchase a premium. So you have to purchase a premium and make a payment, and then you can add more warehouses for your uses. After that, we have smart trade, which is similar functionality that we have discussed with. So here's the warehouses, that's also we have discussed about. And then after that, we have transactions. So here is the list of transaction history that we have made earlier, and also here's the wallet that we can check out our balance, or we can withdraw the amount that if we need to transfer into our bank account. Simply here we can fill all of the card details and make a payment. After that, we have dispute system right here. So here is the number of dispute that we have opened for earlier, and we can also add new dispute from right here. It's a similar concept as we have into the application for connect lawyer and connect with the AI. We have to purchase a subscription to connect with the actual lawyer and check out or we can see the history. After that, here is the account of the user. So you can see this user is as a seller, and here is all of the detail. You can view orders, addresses, payments, blogs, and their warehouses details, settings, and every other things that we can check out as a seller. Here's the blogs that made by the super admin. All right, let's go back with using the buyer flow. So here's the login. So as you notice that we don't have inventory system for the buyer, and they can easily access the dashboards and the marketplace. Yeah, so it's a similar process that we have discussed about the seller flow and the application flow as well. We can buy or purchase or request to exchange any product and something like that. Also, we can check out all of our orders which we did previously. Yeah, here is the smart trade. You can access all of these products from right here and propose a trade. About the transaction histories, here is the histories that are displaying right here. We can check out any history and show the details of our previous transactions. Here is the dispute. So yeah, as you can see, we can create a new dispute from right here. We have two options, AI and the lawyer. After that we have the blogs. So the buyer can easily check out the trending blogs from right here, which is created by super admin. So let's get back with the admin panel. So here we can log in as an admin, and as a super admin we allow us to access all of these functionalities into this portal. So we can like notice how many users we have into our whole ecosystem, which one of them are actively, which how many transactions that we have made in our escrow, how many revenue we have generated, how much our user growth per month, and also how many active dispute that we have about the orders. And here is the notifications that we got if anything wrong, or for the alert or the success messages as well. Here is the user management, so that from here we can easily manage our whole user whole user system. Here is the details, so that we can suspend or reactive any user. We can edit also and delete as well from right here. After that we have inventory management system, so that we, we will have all of this data about all of the sellers and their inventory system. And by clicking on view button we can show all of the product details, seller details, the warehouse details, and everything that we have collected from our sellers. After that we have dispute system. We can easily assign the lawyer from right here. When we assign any lawyer, here will be display a chat link, so that we can copy the link and send it to the lawyer, and the lawyer will open this link and easily chat with the our user. So after that we can also view any dispute, and we can also access the chat history, and we can mark as resolved, or chat or log via email to the users as well. After that we have the payment history as well. So here is all of the list of payment that we have get from our users. Clicking on view button, here is the all of detail that we got from our user. Is the transaction overview, the buyer details, seller detail, and the all of the product details, and the commission breakdowns as well. And we have the order tracking, which is providing by the dropshipping companies, and the warehouse details, and the product warehouse, and the dropshipping warehouses as well. So here we can check out all of these payment histories. After that we have analytics. So here is the graphs to the different subject, like this is for the order by month, the revenue by source, the seller performance, and dispute rate, and everything, so that we can make sure that everything is on track. We can download it, or we can also print it as well. After that we have the blog section. So into the app and website we notice that we have blog module, so that all will be provided from the super admin. So super admin can add new blog and view or edit or delete anything like that from here. And also super admin can copy the link and directly share to any platform like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and anything like that. Here is the dropshipping companies listing. So here we have the list of dropshipping companies that will be help us to deliver the actual products. So here is the detail of uh, all of these drop shipping thing. We can also edit or delete any drop shipping companies from right here, and also we can manage the subscription functionality from right here, like what kind of subscription that we really need to add for the buyer or the seller, anything like that. We can also delete and make an additional features or functionality into the subscription plans as well. So yeah, this is all about the overview of the PHAMON ecosystem. So yeah, thank you so much for thank you so much. Yeah.